Hi there, and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today we've got a vintage King Seiko here. So in the late 60s and around the 70s, Seiko had two kind of luxury brands, both the King Seiko and Grand Seiko, that were kind of two actually separate factories that compete against each other. With the King Seiko line discontinued around after the 70s, the Grand Seiko kind of won out as Seiko's kind of luxury offering. But today we've seen King Seiko revived as a Seiko variant with a similar kind of Seiko at the top, King Seiko at the bottom, whereas Grand Seiko today, in the latest iterations, just have the Grand Seiko logo at the top. So it's got a very much stronger identity, and King Seiko have gone, well, they've been positioned by Seiko as their kind of mid-range or upper lower range. Sorry, no, upper the kind of upper Seiko range. Um, Particularly as some of the ones you can see today still sport the same 6R movements that are used in various Seiko prospect divers. But yes, very much in that kind of upper echelon in terms of the luxury offering in the kind of 60s and 70s. And as a mark of that, you can see the signed dial there, King Seiko. Let me see if I can get it close to the camera. There we go. Seiko, there we go. And so they didn't quite have that in the other models. But also wonderful is great to see the display case back, which shows the beautiful movement with a dia shock offering, which is their kind of shock resistance a variant, which allows it to ensure that, particularly back in the day, before the quartz crisis came over, that people did want to ensure that this was actually one of their few reliable ways of telling the time. So something which a bit more durable, given the mechanical makeup was very much sought after and part of those kind of, again, one of those premium offerings. But yes, so hopefully this gives a very nice way of showing you some of the vintage offerings, which we haven't had much on this channel. Yeah, do check this one out.